So further we will see the changes if we are talking about an object. तो वहाँ पे कैसे we have to change the pronouns. Okay. So another example I have taken to make it more clear to you. That is, I said to you, you keep quiet. ठीक है. Pronunciation also please keep in mind. It is quiet. Alright. So I said to you that you keep quiet. So you, because you is our object. You यदि object है तो it will not change. It will remain unchanged. ठीक है? So see you, and here again we have written you. मैंने बता दिया. You remains you object because you is also a second person. तो जब वो second person है, same है, similar है, then we don't change the pronoun in our indirect speech. Alright? इससे पहले I must tell you कि reporting verb क्या होता है. वैसे ना कि reporting verb आपका past tense में होना चाहिए. Reporting verb is like said, she said to me, she told me, teacher asked, explained. So all these things are reporting verb. It has to be in past tense. Then only we change the present into past. ये basic rule है. Fine. Then rule number 3. That when the pronoun that is in direct speech, जब आपका pronoun direct speech में third person है, direct speech में third person है, it remains unchanged. In direct में भी unchanged रहता है. There is no changes. ठीक है? So I said to Sonalika, Joy is a lazy boy. Alright. So I am talking about, see, the person's name, third person, about whom we are talking is who? Joy. So when we will change the direct into indirect, I will say, I said to Sonalika that Joy was a lazy boy. टेंसेस तो चेंज करना ही है बेटा. प्रेजेंट से पास्ट में चेंज करना ही है. ठीक है. ये कहाँ अनचेंज्ड होगा? दैट इज टॉकिंग अबाउट प्रोनाउंस. दैट इज प्रोनाउन. अब यहाँ पे देखो आपका जो इनडायरेक्ट इसमें द सेंटेंस, द पर्सन इज थर्ड पर्सन. पर्सन इज थर्ड पर्सन. That is why in indirect also it did not change. Okay. Then another example. Mom said to dad. Mom said to dad. They will come in the evening. So mom said to dad that they would come in the evening. So they को हमने change नहीं किया है because it is third person plural. तो वो हम थर्ड पर्सन प्रोनाउन के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, या इफ इट इज नाउन. जॉय क्या है? थर्ड पर्सन में नाउन है, बट दे क्या है? थर्ड पर्सन प्रोनाउन है. इज इट क्लियर? सो इट डजंट चेंज. ऑलराइट. अ फ्यू मोर चेंजेस यू शुड कीप इन माइंड. जब ये सारे वर्ड्स डायरेक्ट में होंगे, व्हेन यू विल चेंज इनटू इनडायरेक्ट, हाउ you will change, how it should be changed, because the marks are allotted for this corrections only. Fine. So direct में will है तो indirect में would है. Shall, should also you can write, would also you can write. May, might, can, could, do, does present है. Do for plural, does for singular, and that will change to did. Is, am, are. Is, am, are will change to was, were. Next, has. Next I am talking about has or have will change into had. So in continuation we'll see more about the rules to change when we are dealing with direct to indirect. So in continuation we will see now that where do we don't change the tenses. This is very important, that a few areas where we don't change the tenses. Alright. So here are the situations where we don't change tense. For an example, that historical fact है या truth है. If I am talking about universal fact or truth, or habitual facts. In these conditions or situations, we don't change the tense when we are changing the direct into indirect speech. Fine. So I have given you examples here that teacher explained we won the freedom struggle in 1947. All right. It means it is a historical fact or truth that we got freedom in the year 1947. तो जिस किसी भी टेंस में वो लिखा होगा बेटा, the same tense you have to write in indirect. You don't have to change the tense there. So as it is you have to write teacher explained that तो use करना है आपको. We won the freedom struggle. We वहाँ पे change नहीं होगा, they नहीं होगा. We are talking about us. ठीक है. We won the freedom struggle in 1947. Next, he said to me, Mercury is the nearest planet to the sun. This is what? This is universal fact or the truth. So here it will not change. You have to only write, he said to me that Mercury is the nearest planet to the sun, as it is. Alright. Now next we are talking about the habitual fact. Radha told us, I study every day. उसकी habit में है, रोज पढ़ना वो उसके habit में है. Maybe for jogging, maybe for a walk, anything which we do it as our habit. ठीक है. Radha told us that she studies every day. इसमें ये present tense use हुआ है. That is why simple present, because it is a habitual fact. So I has changed to she because we are talking about Radha. But here we are not changing the tense. Here we are not changing the tense. That is, I study every day. Radha told us that she studies every day. So when third person singular है, simple present में, the verb will take IES. The verb will take IES. एक छोटा सा स्पेलिंग टिप मैं आपको बता देती हूँ. Y के पहले यदि कॉन्सोनेंट है, Y के पहले कॉन्सोनेंट है, तो Y ड्रॉप होके IES लग जाता है. Is this clear? So that you don't make mistakes. Bird, if I am talking about bird flies, so FLIES, क्योंकि Y से पहले क्या है बेटा? कॉन्सोनेंट है, इसलिए वो IES हो जाता है. ठीक है. This is the tips of spelling also. I have given one in one of my video lecture. Please watch it. Fine. Now there are a few some words are here beta जो change होते हैं when we are talking about direct to indirect. Then we change like here, there, this, that, these, those. ये ध्यान में रखेंगे when we are changing the direct from direct to indirect. जब हम change कर रहे हैं तो ये ध्यान में रखेंगे. यदि सेंटेंस में नाउ है तो आपको देन लिखना है. नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू स्कूल. ही सेड दैट देन ही वॉज गोइंग टू स्कूल. ये आपको टेंसेस भी दिमाग में रखना है. यू हैव टू कीप इन माइंड द प्रोनाउंस ऑल्सो एंड यू हैव टू कीप these words also when you are changing the direct to indirect. Fine. Thus, so, hence, thence, ago, before, today, that day. ठीक है. Today my father will come. He said that day his father would come. तो मैंने टेंस भी चेंज किया, ये वर्ड भी चेंज किया, प्रोनाउन भी चेंज किया. प्रेजेंट को मैंने पास्ट में लिखा that way. Tomorrow, the next day. Tomorrow I am going to Mumbai. She said that. The next day she was going to Mumbai. तो ये प्रैक्टिस करेंगे. I will be giving you the worksheets also. Yesterday, the previous day. ठीक है. Last night, the previous night. Last week, the previous week. ठीक है. Or you can even write the day after. The day after. That also you can write. Tonight, that night. Then the next day, the following day. This you have to learn by heart. ठीक है. And keep on practicing. Here the simple concept is जो near की चीजें हैं that is indicated as a far off thing. This का that हो गया. तो जो पास की चीजें हैं, when we are changing the direct into indirect, that is indicated with the words which is relating to far off things. So children, I hope that the concept of changing the direct into indirect is very, very clear to all of you. A few more rules are there, but till then you practice all this, and happy learning.